Now let's talk about two very common scams: fake technical support scams and gift card scams. First, let's look at fake technical support scams. First, this type of scam aims to make the victim believe that something is wrong with their computer or mobile phone. Scammers may send you an email, display a pop-up message, or even call you on the phone, claiming they work for a well-known company such as Microsoft or Apple. For example, a pop-up window may appear on your screen with a phone number to call. If you call it, the person on the other end will ask for remote access to your device to fix the problem. What they actually do is steal your personal files or charge you money to fix something that was never broken. So be careful. If you see a message like this, do not call, do not click, and do not allow remote access. No legitimate company will ever ask for access to your computer in this way. If you truly believe something is wrong, contact official technical support yourself using the channels you already know. Now, let's move on to gift card scams, which have also become very common in recent years. In this case, scammers pretend to be your boss, a coworker, or someone important in your company. They may even pretend to be a friend asking for a favor. In this attack, they send you an email or message saying they are very busy or out of the office and urgently need your help buying gift cards to solve something quickly, promising to pay you back later. Then they ask you to send them the activation codes from those gift cards. Once they have the codes, they spend the money and disappear. The message can look very real. They use names, photos, and email addresses that are almost identical to those of people you know. That's why, if you receive something like this, stop and verify before doing anything. Check the sender's email address carefully and look at the reply to field, because that's often where the trick is hidden. The best approach is to contact the person directly using another method. Send them a message or call them yourself to confirm whether they really made the request. If you unfortunately fall victim to this type of scam, immediately notify the company that issued the gift card. In some cases, they may be able to help block the card or track its use. There are also cases where someone you know messages you claiming to be in a difficult situation. For example, they lost or damaged their phone, were involved in a car accident, or have a medical emergency and urgently need money. They usually say they cannot talk on the phone and ask you to transfer money to a specific account. Because the message appears to come from someone close to you and the situation sounds desperate, many people fall into the trap and send the money. In reality, it is a scam. In these types of schemes, attackers exploit feelings of empathy and friendship to pressure you emotionally and prevent you from questioning the request. That's why, if you receive a message like this, the best thing to do is call the person directly or contact someone close to them to confirm whether there really is an emergency. Remember, always verify the authenticity of every message, email, or call, especially when money is involved. And if the message creates a sense of urgency or desperation, treat it as a warning sign. So now you know, before clicking, sending money, or sharing information, take a moment to double-check and make sure everything is legitimate.